let me tell you a tale of a sausage in a bun that will never fail. Some call it mystery, some call it meat, but we all know it's the ultimate street treat. But what's really in there? Do we even care? Is it beef? Is it pork? Is it something else? Don't ask questions, just enjoy yourself. They say it's lips and tails and parts unknown, but honestly, best thing I've ever known. Hot dog, what are you made of? Hot dog, show me some love. Steamed or grilled, I don't really mind, as long as you're the cylindrical kind. Hot dog, wrapped in a bun. Hot dog, everyone's number one. Now let's talk controversy, let's start a fight. Ketchup versus mustard, who's really right? The purists scream mustard, only you fool. But I grab that ketchup like I'm breaking the rules. Team ketchup, baby, yeah, I said it. Come at me. In Chicago, they'll ban you for that red sauce crime, but I'll squeeze it on proudly every single time. Relish, onions, mustard elite, but ketchup's what makes my hot dog complete. Hot dog, dress you up right. Hot dog, ketchup tonight. Steamed or grilled, bacon wrapped too. Hot dog, I'm obsessed with you. Hot dog in a toasted bun. Hot dog, weighing half a ton. Steam makes you soft and juicy inside. Grill gives you char marks filled with pride. Bacon wrapped, oh now you're getting fancy. That's a hot dog in a meat romancy. Bacon makes everything better. Fight me on this, you can't. But wait, let's discuss the bun situation. Cold or toasted, a heated conversation. Some like it pillowy, soft and white. Others want it grilled with buttery bites. Steam it, toast it, leave it alone. Every bun deserves a happy home. But if your bun is cold and sad and stale, my friend, your hot dog dreams have failed. Warm buns only, this is the way. Hot dog, temperature debate. Hot dog, don't make me wait. Steamed or grilled, the choice is yours. Hot dog, opening doors. Hot dog, endless possibilities. Hot dog, bringing us to our knees. Now let's pile on toppings, let's go insane. Coleslaw, chili, let's clog up a vein. Sauerkraut, jalapenos, pickles galore. Cheese sauce dripping on the floor. Wait a minute, hold up, let's be real. Is this even a hot dog that I feel? You've got chili, cheese, and 17 things. This is nachos with the sausage, what confusion this brings. What have we done? We've gone too far, but it tastes so good. New York dirty water dogs floating all day in mysterious liquid in a questionable way. That card on the corner, that smell in the air, is it delicious or dangerous? I don't really care. It's been there since 1987. Same water, still gonna eat it. The vendor asks, what'll it be? I say everything recklessly. Onions in sauce, sauerkraut heap. This $3 meal, memories I'll keep. From Coney Island to Chicago style.